Do you need to replace the RAM on your Dell Precision 7670? Well, I'm going to show you how. You can also click on the top right of the screen to find this part, or tools, or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's get started. The first thing you'll do is loosen the captive screws on the bottom base cover. Now use a plastic scribe to pry apart and separate the bottom base cover. Now before going any further, I recommend disconnecting your battery to prevent any harmful static discharge. I also recommend sorting out your screws as you take apart your laptop. It'll make it that much easier during reassembly. Next, unscrew and remove the RAM, otherwise known as the compression attached memory module. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.